Hello students, let's do some more questions of 1 mark. In the given figure, what we have to do, we have to find the length PD. This length we have to find. Now bache, this is a circle. AB is tangent to the inner circle. And what is this point P? This P is point of contact. Now, a tangent is perpendicular to radius at the point of contact. Therefore, angle OPA should be equals to 90 degree. Since this angle is 90 degree, we can apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle OAP. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square, that is OA square, equals to OP square plus AP square. What is OA? 5 square equals to OP is 3 square plus AP square. 25 minus 9 equals to AP square. 16 equals to AP square, and AP is root 16 plus minus 4, but we will take only positive value because length can't be negative. No. AP is 4 centimeter, but we have to find PD. What is PD? But you have studied in class 9 that a perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Since AB is a chord for second circle, outer circle, OP is perpendicular to AB. This means AP equals to PB. Since AP is 4 centimeter, therefore PB is also 4 centimeter, which is our answer. Answer will be 4 centimeters. Clear? The figure MN is parallel to BC. MN is parallel to BC and AM ratio MB is given 1:2. What we have to find? We have to find the area of triangle AMN upon area of triangle ABC. We have to find the ratio. Now bache, since MN is parallel to BC, this angle AMN equals to angle ABC. Corresponding angles, angle A and M equals to angle ACB. These are also corresponding angles, and angle A equals to angle A, common. These are both corresponding angles. It is common. Therefore, triangle AMN is similar to triangle ABC. By which criteria? AAA. Now, as per area ratio theorem, we know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas, area of triangle AMN upon area of triangle ABC will be equals to ratio of their corresponding sides, square of ratios of corresponding sides, AB ka whole square. Now bache, what is given? Ratio of AM and MB is given 1:2. Let AM is X and it is 2X. What we have to do? AM upon MB. What is AM? AM is X. What will be AB? AM is X. BM is 2X. What will be the value of AB? 3X ka whole square. X and X get cancelled. Ratio will be 1/9. 1:9 is the answer. 1/9 is your answer. Clear? Value of sine 32 degree, cos 58 degrees plus cos 32 degrees, sine 58 degrees. As per our table, we don't know the values of 32 degrees or 58 degrees, but we know sine 90 minus theta equals to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta equals to sine theta. Now what we will do? We will write sine 32 degrees as it is and instead of cos 58, what will we write? 90 minus 32. 90 minus 32 is also 58 plus cos 32 degrees as it is into, instead of sin 58 degrees we can write 90 minus 32 degrees. Clear? What we get? Sin 32 degrees into cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, plus cos 32 degrees into sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Sin 32 degrees into sin 32 degrees, sin square 32 degrees, plus cos 32 into cos 32, cos square 32 degrees. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Equals to 1, our identity. Now sin square 32 and cos square 32. In this case, theta is 32 degree. The answer will be 1. 1 is our answer. Clear? A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting a prime number? Now, bache, how many total outcomes a die has? 6. You either get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Now, we have to find the probability of getting a prime number. What are our favorable outcomes? Prime numbers. Out of these 6, which are prime numbers? 2 is a prime number, 3 and 5. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 3. The probability of getting a prime number is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. What are favorable outcomes? 3 upon total outcomes are 6, and our probability is 1 by 2. The probability that a randomly taken leap year has 52 Sundays. Now, number of days in a leap year are 366. Number of weeks in a year are 52. Each week has 7 days. Therefore, number of days in 52 weeks will be 52 into 7, that is 364. We have 366 days in a leap year, 364 days in 52 weeks. Days left, 366 minus 364, 2 days are left. Now, what can be possible outcomes for these 2 days? Either it is Sunday and Monday, or Monday and Tuesday, or Tuesday and Wednesday, or Wednesday and Thursday, or Thursday and Friday, or Friday and Saturday, or Saturday and Sunday. These are the possible outcomes. But as per our question, how many Sundays do we have? We have 52 Sundays. Therefore, we can't take this option, Sunday and Monday, because we have 52 Sundays in 52 weeks. Now, we can't have this option. Now, what are our favorable outcomes? This one, this one, this one, this one, or this one? Possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 possible outcomes. How many favorable outcomes do we have? 5. Either Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, or Friday, Saturday. Now, what will be the probability of getting 52 Sundays? Will be favorable outcomes upon total outcomes, that is 5 by 7 is our answer. If sin A plus sin square A equals to 1, it is given. What we have to find? We have to find the value of cos square A plus cos 4A. Now sin A plus sin square A equals to 1. It is given. Sin A equals to 1 minus sin square A. What is 1 minus sin square A? We have an identity. Sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. What will be the value of 1 minus sin square A? Will be equals to cos square A. Now sin A equals to cos square A. What about cos 4A? Cos 4A can be written as cos square A ka whole square. And what is cos square A? Sin A ka whole square, that is sin square A. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of cos square A plus cos 4A. What is cos square A? Cos square A is sin A plus what is cos 4A? Sin square A, and sin A plus sin square A is equals to 1. Therefore, the answer of this expression is 1. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, the radius of the circle is 4 options are given. What is perimeter of a circle? 2 pi r. What is the area of circle? Pi r square. Pi and pi get cancelled. 2r. R square can be written as r into r. R and r get cancelled. 2 equals to r. Therefore, our option is option A, 2 units. Area of a sector of angle P of a circle with radius r is 4 options are given. What is area of sector? Area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. What is theta? Angle between the two radii, which is given P upon 360 into pi r square. This can be our answer. Now, checking the options. First is P upon 180 into 2 pi r. This can't be our answer. P upon 180 into pi r square. We need 360. This is also not correct. P by 360 into 2 pi r. This can't be correct. What about option D? That is P by 720 into 2 pi r square. 2 ones are 360 in the denominator. What we have got? P by 360 into pi r square, which is area of the circle. Therefore, option D is the correct option.